can fix this. Total Drama Island! That was the season finale! What have you done? This is gonna be a long weekend. Alright guys, I've made up my mind. You can have the TV tomorrow morning. But if you guys fight over the remote again, no TV for the whole month. Yes! We're getting our lives back. So we wake up early and no fighting over the remote. Hands off. No, you hands off. That's not even real English. Just step down already. Oh, I'll step down. Ah! What did you do? Who cares? It's just a little juice. And some syrup. Please, 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 please. What the? Fix it! Fix it! I'm trying, but it's not working. Oh, cool. Why did you just throw that perfectly good TV in the trash can? Let's get to bed before anyone notices. Hey. Wait, why? They did what? Oh! You ran that way, right? I told you specifically not to fight over the remote. And what did you do? You still did it. You still did it. And you, for being his apprentice. You've both lost your TV privileges for the month. Are you proud, Teal Machine? The only show I can watch now is my desk. What do you do with our TVs anyway?